Press Shift F7 to select E46. Body. Electronic Vehicle Immobilization EWS. F5 for read status. F1 for reading internal state. Here, key is sending, should say yes. Everything below, starter switched off because of, should say no. Reached resolutions limit will be active if the engine speed is too high to permit starter. PN is for either the park neutral switch or the clutch pedal switch. Central locking is a signal from the GM5 module for current locking status. BC is board computer permissive coming from the instrument cluster. Press F3 for actual key information. Everything below, key invalid because of, needs to say no.